Hi, this is Amelia from the Daily Mix Tips channel. We in the channel offer valuable and interesting advice and tips every day. A new tip. 8 health benefits of eating mackerel. 1. It lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common health condition that affects many people around the world. Mackerel fish has a powerful ability to lower blood pressure, thanks to the polyunsaturated fatty acids present in it. A study published in the journal Atherosclerosis showed that 12 male subjects with mild hypertension who were given 3 cans of mackerel per week for 8 months, resulted in a significant decrease in blood pressure levels. The benefits of mackerel fish 2. Improves heart health. Research studies have found that heart-healthy polyunsaturated fats can improve your heart health by reducing the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Consumption of mackerel has been shown to increase HDL, good cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides and bad cholesterol. 3. Build strong bones. Mackerel is a rich source of vitamin D, and this vitamin has been shown to reduce the risk of hip fractures. Consuming fish including mackerel at least once a week has been shown to reduce the risk of developing a hip fracture by 33%. Additionally, mackerel is also a good source of calcium, which is an essential mineral that helps in strengthening bones. The benefits of mackerel fish 4. Improves symptoms of depression. Research studies have shown that a lower intake of dietary omega-3 fats from fish increases symptoms of depression. Mackerel is a good source of polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve symptoms of depression. Additionally, higher intake of PUFAS has been shown to improve symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. 5. Improves cardiovascular health in children. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that children aged 8 to 9 years who ate 300 grams of oily fish per week for 12 weeks, they showed a significant improvement in triglyceride levels and HDL cholesterol levels without any negative effect on blood pressure levels. The benefits of mackerel fish 6. It may reduce the risk of diabetes. An animal study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Health found that mice with diabetes, which were fed various types of fish such as mackerel, sardines, smoked herring and apples, showed improvement in blood glucose levels, as well as in cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 7. It may help in losing weight. Omega-3 polyunsaturated fats have beneficial effects on obesity. It helps reduce fat mass in the body, stimulates fat oxidation, regulates the feeling of satiety and improves body weight. 8. It may manage the risk of breast cancer. Eating less fish has been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer. Some research studies have shown that eating fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help prevent breast cancer and survival.